How to put cinema app on Hisense Smart TV. All right, guys. So the first step is to check your TV system. So first check what system your TV uses by going to the settings and heading into about. Most Hisense TVs run Vida OS, and this is important because it does not support the cinema app directly. So why you can't install directly is if your TV uses Vida OS, you won't find the cinema app in the store and you'll need to use a workaround. All right, so the best workaround we can try is using a Fire Stick. This is the easiest and most popular method. Just plug in an Amazon Fire Stick, connect to a Wi-Fi service, install the downloaded app, and download the Cinema APK, and then install it and open it. Now you can stream movies directly. Or you could try using an Android TV box. All you need to do is just get an Android TV box, plug it into your HDMI port on your TV, and then open the Google Play Store, install the Cinema app from there using the Android TV box, and it will just work like a normal Android TV. Now, a cheaper alternative is using your device, that's your mobile phone. So, if you don't want to use extra devices, you can just install the Cinema app on your phone, use screen mirroring, and just simply mirror your phone screen onto your TV, and then you can just watch your movies from there. Now, you could also try using your laptop and a HDMI cord. Just install the Cinema app on your laptop and then connect it to your TV using HDMI, and that should fix the problem. All right.